Okay, this is the SeleniumBasicAuth walkthrough, kind of showing how this is working and how we're actually interacting with the browser mod proxy using C#, and basically using that as a wrapper around the Selenium WebDriver or Koipu. We have 6 test cases within our main unit test class. 2 for pretty much each one of the 3 browser types that we currently support on this project. We have Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Firefox. And we have a test for Koipu and a test for just basic WebDriver. These are actually stored within SourceForge in our main source code, so you can actually download these tests and use them as an example in your own code to see how you need to set up the project in order to make it work. So this is kind of set up, and we actually had this set up on NuGet as well. You can actually download it there. That's actually listed in our description on SourceForge as well. So I'm going to go ahead and kick off these tests and kind of show you what it's doing when it's running them. One really neat feature about these tests is that you don't have to have BrowserMob installed in order for it to work. Actually, it'll download BrowserMob into a relative path location for you if you don't have it installed. So very useful. And each one of these tests is basically just setting up the driver, launching up BrowserMob, and then launching a browser and navigating to Google. It's just a really basic test that kind of shows how we can, launch up BrowserMob and then interact with that driver through BrowserMob as well. So this is primarily used to set up the basic authentication within Selenium because Selenium no longer has that functionality within it. But BrowserMob has a lot of functionality as well, and you could probably extend the source code a little bit to incorporate some of the other REST APIs that BrowserMob has. But that's all we got for the demo, and I hope this was very informative.